recognize my face and remember all the things associated with my life. I'm reassured that all the negative and positive things it's okay, it's there for a reason, and we move forward.
Balance, introspection, infinite. Simple, connect, and explore. Complicated, unique, determined. Memory, growth, reflection.
Strength, resiliency, warrior.
Little girl lost, was soul searching, found worldliness, was reinvigorated, has compassion, and is healing.
Layers of identities. I used a masking technique to create my mask. Although I think I know what I'm revealing and concealing about myself, I can become deceived by my own layers of cover and display.
First one is responsibility. We understand that. We know that we have a duty or something to do, something in life or work, whatever we need to do that. The other part, if you don't hold yourself accountable, having accountability in there, then responsibility doesn't mean much. Next phase would be choice. And understand your ability to choose. There is a consequence that will always follow. If you don't understand these fundamental things, unfortunately most of us, when we start neglecting the responsibility, accountability, and our choices, and not understanding their consequences, unfortunately we go to the excuses of in other words, justification, rationalization. In other words, to excuse our actions why we can't be responsible.